Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper here with Loopmasters. Today I'm going to show you how to download packs from Loopmasters inside of the AudioCopy application. Edit them, curate them, figure out what you want, and then I'm going to show you how to import those sounds into the iMPC Pro 2.0 by Retronyms and AKAI and use those. I'm going to show you how to edit them, download them, curate them, and get them inside so you can start using them right away. The workflow is super smooth. I'm excited to share it with you, so let's get started. Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to check out the AudioCopy content app. This is where you can purchase Loopmasters packs curated specifically for the iMPC Pro 2 and also download the factory content that comes with the app itself. Let's go ahead and launch the app. This is the main page. It shows all of the packs I've already purchased and downloaded. It also shows any recordings I've made inside of the AudioCopy app and anything that I've rendered from iMPC Pro 2 to the AudioCopy app. It's very easy to navigate through the packs and preview samples. From here I can also edit the file by clicking the edit button. Now if I click on the waveform I can get to the edit tools. These are going to be the same tools that you get inside of the iMPC Pro 2. You got fade, normalize, amplify, things like that. I can also choose to open the file in other apps. I can share it directly to YouTube or SoundCloud. And this is really cool for projects I've rendered from the iMPC Pro 2 that I want to post to YouTube or SoundCloud quickly. We can also share with GarageBand or delete the file. Now there's also a content store built into this app. This is where we can purchase the Loopmasters packs curated specifically for the iMPC Pro 2, and you can also find the factory content I mentioned earlier here as well. I'm going to show you how to do both of those things right now. As you can see, I've already purchased this Loopmasters pack located in the features section, Trap Evolutions. If I click it, we can check out the preview song. To hear the preview track, all I need to do is tap on the cover art. Just tap again to stop it. If I click this eye, I can look at the Loopmasters information for the pack. And I can also preview some of the loops and samples as well, and this is really cool. First, we have the BPM control for the previews. Once it's loaded, I can change the BPM to 114 for example. Awesome. I'm going to change it back to around 140 though. These circles are loops, and these squares are one-shots, and I can play them just like the iMPC Pro pads. Not only that, but the loops will be synced. So I'm actually getting the full experience here, and I can really get a handle on the pack contents right from this app before I even purchase the pack. And of course, you can do that for any of these packs. And you can see here that there are already many available. Now we can also browse. These right here are the feature tracks, but if we click the browse button, we can see everything. And you can sort by popularity, release date, price, or name. If I go over to the all button, now we can search by genre or publisher. As you can see here, we've got Loopmasters, Retronyms, AKAI, and I'm sure more will be added down the road. However, if I jump back over for a second, this is where you will find the factory content for the iMPC Pro 2. If I scroll down, these are the free packs that ship with the iMPC app. You can download them for free by clicking the cloud button and entering your iTunes information. Now, let's see how to get these loops and samples loaded into the iMPC Pro 2. Here we are inside of the iMPC, and I'm going to load a blank template. At this point, if I press any of these pads, you'll see that I get nothing, and that's because I don't have anything loaded. The first thing we need to do is go over to the tracks page and make sure we have a drum track loaded, and it is. This is the icon for the drums track. We're good to go. Now I'm going to jump into the tweak page, and from here we have a couple of options for loading samples. We can go over to the sounds, and this is where we can see all the sounds that have already been loaded into the iMPC library. We can navigate to something and then click it to preview it. If I like what I hear, I can click, hold, and drag it to the pad I want to assign it to. Let's go into a different folder and load a different one-shot. Same process as before, click, drag, easy. Now I have them loaded. Next, I'll show you how to import from the AudioCopy app. Click the Audio Paste button, which is going to open the AudioCopy app. So let's go ahead and choose something like the Loopmasters Organic Hip Hop. One-shots, drum hits. Here I have 20 drum hits. I can audition them. If I want to add anything, all I need to do is click it. It will say pasting, and then it will be loaded on whatever pad I had selected. If we're looking to get started a little bit quicker, we can go back into Audio Paste. Let's check out the Loopmasters Liquid Trap Pack, one-shots, trap kick hits, and it says 11 sounds. Now, I can just hit this to paste them all at once on all of the pads automatically. Now I have the option to replace all of the pads or just load these samples into the iMPC library. Easy. Now they're loaded and I can even edit these sounds. I can click the edit button and have full access to the sounds from the Loopmasters pack for editing. I can do something like add a fade out. If I like the change, hit apply, hit done, test it. Boom. So essentially that's how you get content loaded inside of the iMPC Pro 2 so you can start creating your tracks today.